operating in one of the largest and most complex transport industries in the world that faces diverse climates, difficult terrains, and increasing costs is not an easy job. Fleet management needs to be more organized for the business to get profitable.
It's time to try something new. To look at things from a different perspective. To upgrade to a class of trucks which combines advanced technology to achieve the highest standard of performance and efficiency, along with world-class safety and lowest maintenance. A truck which is easy to own, efficient to operate, and simple to maintain. Presenting the all-new Pro 6049 with the biggest and the most powerful engine in its category, optimized by the revolutionary M-Booster Plus technology to make it the most fuel efficient. Pro 6049, profitable for life.